Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're still in Budapest on the same day as in my last video. If you didn't get to watch that one, check it out. The link is in the description box down below. In my last video, I showed you Budapest during the day, and so now it's time to show you what I did during the night. Like I said at the end of my last video, I'm just waiting to go on my cruise ride along the Danube River. So I'm gonna wander around the city a little more and then show you from the cruise what Budapest looks like with all these lights. So I'm still by the Buda side, but I have to take the cruise by the Pest side, which is where the Parliament building is. So I'll be taking the train bridge to go across. So my video is in my video if I don't show you a clip of my face, so you know I was there for real. So now that I'm on the bridge, I hope you remember the view from here during the day because it's about to look even better. Over there to the left is the Fisherman's Bastion that I showed you first in my last video. Then there's the red brick church. To the right, the Parliament building and some more lights from the Pest side. That's where we're going. Isn't this bridge just beautiful? I just couldn't get enough of it. And here's the Parliament building again, of course looking better during the night, but wait till you see it from the cruise. So much better. Alright, so it's finally time to board the boat. And there it is. And here we go. So now at the entrance, they're gonna give me some champagne to keep me company. I'm sure I'm gonna need it the most. Let me just find a seat so we can get this tour started. It looks like we're now moving, so stay tuned for what's coming. Here we have already the impressive Parliament building. And there is another bridge. Here is me again. Now I was alone, but I still enjoy this ride. This is approximately 1 hour, so if you're in Budapest, especially if you're with someone, I definitely recommend that you taste. And here is this chain bridge again, definitely my favorite.
Say again?
Thank you. Now what you're seeing up there is the Buda Castle, which is on top of the castle hill in Budapest on the Buda side, hence the name Buda Castle. It's also known as the Royal Palace and is a part of the UNESCO World Heritage currently hosting several museums and governmental institutions such as the Presidential Palace. This castle was destroyed by fire in World War II as well, so it was rebuilt with modern interiors while incorporating hidden walls and medieval structures that remained hidden over the centuries. Now, there are actually 8 bridges linking Buda and Pest, each with a fascinating structure. The oldest one is the famous chain bridge that I keep mentioning, but each bridge has a totally different character and style. These bridges are a vital part of Budapest transport infrastructure and popular tourist attractions at the same time. I'm actually gonna go hiking tomorrow night, so I'm looking forward to seeing all these bridges from the very top. Okay, so with that, this experience has come to an end. So I'll see you guys in my next video where I'm gonna roam the streets of Budapest again, including the Jewish district. I'm sure there's a lot to learn there. And also I'm gonna go up the hill to a lookout point in the night because I just always need to see the city lights from above. So thank you for watching, and before you go, as always, like, share, comment and subscribe.